Today I'm going to share with you this grammar-based back-to-school activity that gets students thinking, writing, and sharing all on day one. If you enjoy it, click the link in my description to access all of these materials for free. All you need is a piece of cardstock and some colorful writing materials. In the description, I have some decorative templates if you need them. Students first fold the cardstock like a tent, write their names in the center, and then they decorate the space around their name using various parts of speech and phrases. Start by giving students a notes page that reminds them of different parts of speech, and students can use this graphic organizer to plan ideas for their name tags. Nouns are people, places, and things that connect to your students, so you can ask them, if I looked through your backpack or your camera roll, what nouns would I find there? What are the things that matter to you, your favorite foods or places you have been, people who you love? Verbs are action words, so what do your students spend their time doing when no one's telling them what to do? After students brainstorm, they can even act out some of these words silently while other kids guess, and that could be a fun game to play. Adjectives are words that describe your students' personalities, so how would their best friend describe them? And what is something unique about how they act? You can provide students with these sentence starters to help them brainstorm this before they write it down. Adverbs tell how you do something, so look at your list of verbs and decide, how do you do those things? Do you sing quietly or loudly? Do you walk quickly or slowly? And again, you can use these sentence starters and your students can put their verbs together with their adverbs to see what makes sense. Prepositional phrases tell where or when, so ask your students to close their eyes and imagine their favorite place, and then describe it using a prepositional phrase. The graphic organizer has multiple prepositions that can help your students create these phrases. After brainstorming, students transfer these words onto their name tag, and they can even add symbols and drawings to bring their words to life. For at least the first 2 weeks of school, I have students place these name tags on their desk so that I can learn their names and a little bit about who they are. You can even have them introduce themselves using one or two of their words or phrases as a built-in icebreaker. I created a printable template that walks students through each part of speech and gives space to brainstorm before they decorate. You can download it for free using the link in the description below. It's a great way to go back to school with meaning. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative English activities and writing strategies. And I'll see you next time.